Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Dallas from Dallas Can Do It. So we're going to make a rain cloud. Okay, first, we're going to spray some shaving cream. This is the cloud, a rain cloud. Alright, I made a little mess. Dad to clean it up. Okay, so we put shaving cream, and then when we're done putting the drops of food coloring, we'll timer. It's time to rain. When water vapor hits cold air, it turns into droplets of water. Those drops stick together and make clouds. When the cloud gets so much water, the rain drops down. The rain falls. And look at the time. Time to go. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time on Dallas Can Do It. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to this video. Bye.